We are going to sketch the graph of the function sine of x for x greater than or equal to 0 and less than pi half, and use that graph to find the absolute and local maximum and minimum values of the function. So we know that the sine function at 0 is equal to 0, and then it is increasing from 0 to pi half. And at pi half, it has a value 1, but in this case, it's not included in the graph. So we can say that we have something like this. And this corresponds to pi half here, the value 1. Should be a little bit more flattened around here, but there's no problem with that. Okay, so we can say that the value 1 should be around here, maybe. Well, so to indicate in this graph that the image of pi half, which is 1, normally is not included because the interval is open, we have this. And here 0 is included. So we do this type of graphic sign to indicate that. And so we can see that f, let's put the formula to remember, we are talking about sine of x for x greater than or equal to 0 but less than pi half. And so we have, effectively, we have an absolute minimum at 0 and the value is 0. So f of 0 equals 0 is the absolute minimum of minimum value of f on 0 pi half, 0 close, pi half open is the absolute minimum. There's no relative minimum because these f of 0 equals 0 cannot be considered local because we have no function to the left. Even though the sign is defined, we have considered only on that interval, so there is no local minimum. F has no local minimum on that interval. With respect to the absolute maximum or local maximum, there is neither one of them because we have opened this interval here. There is not a maximum or highest point in the graph because the point pi half is not included. So f has no local or absolute maximum. And so this is the behavior of the function sine of x for x greater than or equal to 0 but less than pi half. There is an absolute minimum value of 0 at 0, and there is no local minimum, no local maximum, no absolute maximum.